Sai Ram students. So in the previous period we discussed about how C.F. Andrews described the beauty of Shantiniketan. So who founded Shantiniketan? That is, answer me, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Then when did the day in Shantiniketan begin? Or when does the day in Shantiniketan begin? The day in Shantiniketan begins early in the morning. Then third question, who are the early risers in the Shantiniketan? Who get up early in the morning? That is, first choristers, they get up early in the morning. Then what did the choristers do? They went around the ashram singing the morning hymn. Correct? So, C.F. Andrews decided to present the activities of those boys in the ashram. Why? Because he wanted to explain the beauty of Shantiniketan. So today we shall take the next part, that is fifth paragraph. I think you have the textbook. Open the textbook, page number 3, paragraph number 5. I'll read, follow me. When the morning work is over, the boys bathe and go to their meal. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the classes begin again. But at this time, the work is chiefly with the hands as well as with the mind. Handiwork is practiced, and the boys' own natural tastes are very soon discovered. Some prefer carpentry, others prefer mechanical work, others enjoy spinning and weaving, others become skilled craftsmen or painters, others are musicians. So these are the provisions given to the boys in Shantiniketan. There are no larger classes, smaller classes are held. Classes are held under trees. Correct? Then, when the morning work is over, boys bathe. So, in the morning, they have some book work. So, when the book work was over, the boys bathe. B-A-T-H, bath, means take bath, have bath. So, when the morning work is over, that is subordinate clause. You know, main clause and subordinate clause. When the morning work is over, it is an incomplete sentence. It depends on the next sentence. So, the first sentence is subordinate clause. Next one is main clause. The boys bathe. That is a main clause. It gives full meaning. And go to their meal. So, after having their meal, then about 2 o'clock, not exactly, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the classes begin again. So, when do the classes begin in the afternoon? That is about 2 o'clock. They start doing their class works. But at this time, means afternoon session, this time the work is chiefly with the hands as well as with the mind. So, work is given to the mind and hand. That means work is given to discover the skill of the boy. So, what is the work? As well as is the conjunction. So, at this time, the work is chiefly with the hands as well as with the mind. Work is given, there should be a coordination between mind and hand. Discovering skill. Handiwork is practiced. So, in the afternoon, handiwork is practiced. What is handiwork? Handiwork means work done by hands. That work needs skill. Work which needs skill in using hands. That is handiwork. Karakushala anta. So here sometimes I will use Kannada also. Why? Because most of the students are from Kannada medium. So I will use Kannada here and there to support you. Okay? So handiwork, Karakushala, is practiced. And the boys at that time, and the boys own, boys apostrophe s. See the usage of boy, boys, hudugana, hudugara, hudugaru, hudugana, hudugara. So boys, natural. Natural opposite artificial or unnatural. Unnatural. Prefix unnatural, opposite artificial, natural, artificial. Natural, what? And boys' own natural tastes are very soon discovered. What is a taste? Taste means liking. Taste means personal preference. Natural taste, ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕವಾದಂಥ ಇಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, tastes are very soon, very is parts of speech, adverb. Soon is also adverb. Very soon discovered. Who discovers the natural taste of the boys or students? The teacher who was teaching, who was responsible for that particular group. So discover. Find something. Find something for the first time. Find something for the first time that was existing but not known. The thing was already existing, but it was not known so far. Now it is found. Means vastu modale ide. For example, discovered, Vasco da Gama discovered new sea route to India. You might have heard the sentence. Discover means the route was already existing, but it was not known. Correct? Invention means finding something new which was not existing before. For example, bulb. Correct? So discover, find something for the first time that was existing but not known so far. That is discover. So boys had the skill, but it was not known, it was not found. Now with the help of a teacher, he could get it, he could find it. Soon discovered. Some prefer there in the class, open air classroom, some prefer means like, better, prefer. like better or choose. Some prefer what? Carpentry, ಮರದ ಕೆಲಸ. ಕೆಲವು ಹುಡುಗರು ಅದನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ and weaving. What is spinning? Spin, weave, spinning and weaving. So spin means to make cotton or wool etc. into thread. To make a cotton, to make wool into, turn into thread, that is spinning. ನೂಲುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೂಲುವುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ and weaving. Weaving means to make thread into cloth. ನೇಯುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೇಯ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದು, ಇದು ನೂಲುವುದು. ಹತ್ತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಊಲಿಂದ ಕಾಟನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ವೀವಿಂಗ್, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ಮೆನ್. What is a draftsman? Meaning is given there. See that. What is the meaning? Draftsman, a designer or one who makes plans like an engineer. Or painters. Some prefer painting. They wanted to become painters. And others are musicians. Some boys wanted to become musicians. So these are the areas that the boys could select. These are the areas the boys could prefer. So there the teacher could identify, teacher could find which area a particular boy is expert in. I think you understood the 5th paragraph. Come to the 6th paragraph. There is very little book work in the afternoon. What work do they do in the afternoon? That is handiwork. That depends on their interest. There is very little book work in the afternoon. School is over at about 4 o'clock. And then there is a rush to get first into the great open fields for football. Get into means move into or enter. So they enter the open fields. They moved to the open fields. Why? For football, the most interesting thing for the students. What is that? Playing, rushing into the playground. They rush into the open fields for football. Our Shantiniketan boys, C.F. Andrews says, our Shantiniketan boys are famous everywhere for their sports and games. So the boys are good at sports and games. They are good at football. They brought name and fame to the institution by playing, participating in what? Sports and games. Famous opposite? Famous, infamous. Famous, notorious. ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ, ಕುಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. notorious ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. Then 7th paragraph. Now read the 5th and 6th paragraph silently. Finish. Come to the 7th paragraph. In the evening, after the game, after sports, after games, after the games period, in the evening, at sunset, sunrise, sunset, they return from the fields, they come from the open fields and sit down once more, once again, like in the morning, for a short time to meditate in silence. Silence opposite noisy. So they sit for meditation. They do meditation in the evening also. It is also one of the good activities. As night comes, so how do the boys spend their evening? They return from the open fields, playing, then they do meditation. So as the night comes, when the night comes, at night, fairy tales are told. What's the voice of that sentence? Fairy tales are told. Tales means stories. Fairy means F-A-I-R-Y. Fairy means imaginary. Fairy tales means imaginary stories. Children's stories. Having demons, having ghosts, having magical things happening in a story. Correct? Where do we find magical things happening? In fairy stories only. Why? It creates interest in the minds of the children. It motivates the children to read more and more. So fairy tales are told. It's in passive voice. Who told them stories? I don't know. So who tells the story? That is not important. Listening to the story is important. That is in passive. So fairy tales are told. So how to make it active? They are teachers told fairy tales. Teachers tell fairy tales. Passive. Active. Teachers tell fairy tales. Active voice. Passive. Fairy tales. Present tense. So are. Present tense. Plural. Fairy tales plural. Present tense. Plural present means are. Fairy tales are told by teachers. The teacher's word is left there. Why? Because that's not important. Telling the story is important. So fairy tales are told. Imaginary stories are told. Short dramas are recited. What is recite? R-E-C-I-T-E. Recitation, you might have heard. Recite means repeat. How? Aloud. From where? From memory. So short dramas are recited. Dramas are practiced. Then our Gurudevas, who is the Gurudeva mentioned here? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet. So he wrote many poems. His Gurudeva's songs are sung. Who sings? Children sing. Who sings? Boys sing. Boys sing Gurudeva's song. Gurudeva's songs are sung by the boys. And different, not the same, opposite of different, same. And different school gatherings are held. These are the activities that were held in Shantiniketan before the boys go to bed. Correct? I think you understood. Then come to 9th paragraph. By 9 o'clock, all these works are completed. By 9 o'clock, all are glad. Glad means happy. Glad opposite, sad. Sad, glad. All the boys are very happy. Why? Because they enjoyed learning. They enjoyed their life. They enjoyed from morning till evening. Everything gave them enjoyment. They learned from nature. Are glad to retire to bed. Retire to bed means go to bed. Retire to rest means go to bed. And again, the choristers go round the ashram singing their last evening hymn. Hymn means stotra. Hymn means praise in God. A song in praise of God. That is hymn. So again, how do they begin their work? by singing a morning hymn. They make all the other boys get up in the morning. At night, the last one, again the choristers go around the ashram singing their last evening hymn. There can be no question. Then he concludes, C.F. Andrews concludes, there can be no question as to the happiness of the life of our boys. That means they enjoy to the utmost level. Most of the works give them happiness. Then they are waiting for the next day to come and enjoy the day. So they gladly go to bed and take rest. As to the happiness of the life of our boys means the Shantiniketan boys. Their faces tell the story of their joy. So when we look at the boys' face, the face tell us about their interest, whether they enjoyed or whether they felt sad. And their freedom, they are free to enjoy, they are free to study. There is no free life in India than the life of our children at Shantiniketan. So the writer compares the life of boys in other schools with the boys in Shantiniketan and says that they are the happiest boys in India. Why? Because they get living education. The education which they get in Shantiniketan make them stand on their own feet and make them lead their life happily. So it is life-giving education. Education is for life. Correct? I think you understood. Now, come to the question and part. So I have sent you all the question and answer of this lesson. So I think you copied in your notebook, 200-page notebook. Correct? Now, I'll give C.F. Andrews tells the story. Now, what is the tag? What is a tag? Tells means does tell. Correct? Number 2, children enjoy. Number 3, they choose their own field. Now in question tag we need only 2 words, that is one pronoun, another one helping verb. So here the sentence is a positive sentence. So which is the helping verb here? Does. Next, not is not there. So here you should make it negative, doesn't. Next, we need a pronoun. C.F. Andrews means it takes he. Doesn't he? Means C.F. Andrews tells the story, doesn't he? If the sentence is negative, this should be affirmative or positive. If the sentence is positive, it should be negative. So vice versa. Remember. Now do the 2 examples given here. Okay? Sai Ram.